Hey everybody, how's it going? So I stopped at my local Home Depot, picked up a couple Milwaukee items, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey, how's it going everybody? Alright, so picked up 2 items. Milwaukee rep gave me a t-shirt, which is pretty awesome. He told me the next time I see him, he's going to end up getting a shirt for my wife, and he's going to end up finding me a hat, too. So, very awesome rep. He's at my local Home Depot. We're going to be talking about this guy right here, which is the Milwaukee TopOff. I'll bring this guy in here, that way it's in the frame of the video, because I picked up another one. And I've been using this. I got this about a month before its release date, this one, because I pre-ordered it, and I'm an affiliate for Acme Tools, so I think they just prioritized my order. Not really sure how it happened, but I got it over a month before it was released. So there is a deal going on right now. So here is the shirt that, and these are nice Gildan heavy cotton shirts. Says Milwaukee on the front. This one actually says Milwaukee on the back, and it says frame to finish, nothing but heavy duty, M12, M18. It's a nice shirt. It's an extra large. I was just talking to him in the store. He sees me all the time, but he never, I guess he never noticed that I walk in and I'll buy like $2,000 worth of Milwaukee tools, because he came up to me and randomly asked me, hey, what, do you have any TTI tools? And I said, yeah, I've got over 100 Milwaukee tools. And he's like, well, do you have like DeWalt and Makita and everybody else? Because I was actually shopping around looking at this, looking for one of these Makita kits, and I wasn't there to buy Milwaukee that day, but they brought this TopOff out several months ago in this particular kit, which is the TopOff with a 5 amp hour is $149 for this kit, which is a good deal either way you look at it. So if you look at it, the TopOff by itself is $99. The battery, on a day that there is no sale, this 5 amp hour battery is $150. On a day that it is a sale, you can get it for $99. You can get it sometimes for $79. You can get it in a lot of items for free. So the way I looked at it is I paid $99 for the TopOff, and I got the battery for $50. That's the way I looked at it. And the reason I bought a secondary, you can tell that there's 2 of them sitting here, is I like this so much. Only thing I don't like is I wish there was a rubber flap on this plug. There's rubber flaps on these 2. I wish they would have provided a rubber flap on the actual 120 volt. But what I did to solve that is I just put a baby safety outlet plug in it. I got 6 kids, you know, I got a ton of them laying around. I am gonna probably go find out if I can find these in black, so it's just not so obvious. But I picked up another one because I liked it so much. I figured my wife can use it if she wants to use it when she's really busy. My wife has 2 jobs. Wife loves her jobs. I'm not gonna take that away from her. I've got, you know, businesses. I do mobile repair for both computers and automotive. Those are my mobile businesses, plus the shops, so I'm busy as well. But I figured, why not? It's not a bad price. And this is the set I was talking about. These are general purpose box cutter blades. They're Milwaukee stamped, of course. But what I like is that they're $75 a piece. That's what you get. You get 75 blades in this one and 75 blades in this one. And this was $14.97. I did go to Lowe's. Lowe's had a single pack. Just a single pack that had Craftsman branding on it. It was a 75 piece pack. It was literally $14 for one. So this is a deal. Not every store has amazing deals. Sometimes Milwaukee does have better deals. You get two 75 blade packs for $14 compared to like the Lowe's. Craftsman branded case, red with the black, 75 blades. One single 75 pack is $14.98 or 99 cents. So if you look at it, from that perspective, it's 150 blades. If you look at it from that perspective, it's 150 blades. And that is about 10 cents a blade. So it's not bad. It's actually a pretty decent deal, so I picked them up. I didn't need any blades, but I picked them up because it's a great deal. There's nothing wrong with having 400 or 500 blades. I use them when I use these box cutter blades. And I don't use them just on box cutters or on boxes, but I use them on plastic as well. I use 2 or 3 in a day or more. So it's not a big deal that I have extras, but I truly just wanted to show off a couple things that I picked up. And that's mainly this guy and the battery. Pop these rivets at the top. I do like this clamshell. This clamshell is nice. You know, even if it's got the rivets, it's not really hard to pop these rivets. These clamshells are not really too hard to work with. Get the unit out. Because these are just top plastic riveted, basically. The battery. Instruction booklet. All the information and stuff. So now the plastic is removed from the equation. I'm not going to open these right now. So you got your instruction booklet and everything. Battery. The battery is at 1 bar. This battery does have the lightning bolt on it, as you can see. So this will take the rapid charging. If you don't see the lightning bolt on a battery, it does not do rapid charging. I do like this combo with a 5. It's actually very compact with a 5. That's what it looks like with a 12 amp hour. The footprint is also smaller, as you can see. I actually put this in my cup holder. With a 5, I can put it and it will sit, for an example, it will sit right here. Here's one cup holder. My other cup holder is right next to it. I can still fit a cup in there with the 5. If I use any of the high output batteries, I can't put a cup in this cup holder, so I usually either put it on the floor and lean it against the transmission tunnel, or I will put it on the seat. But with the 5, it's pretty compact. I like it. Haven't had any issues with it. I normally do not use the USB-A port. I normally only use the USB-C port. But I have a lot of videos on this guy. So if you guys want to see more about this, like it in use, what it can and what it can't do, I'll try to find the video for it. I'll put a card up here of me showing it being used on a phone, showing all the different charging and talking in more in depth about it. I do appreciate you guys watching. As always, this fan only turns on when you're using the 120 volt. I don't use the 120 volt very often, but when I do use it, it's for small things. You know, when I have my phone charger on me and I forgot my truck, I took the cable out of my truck or something for my phone, I will plug this in, or I just use this as a dedicated charger instead of my vehicle, because this charges my phone at super fast charging 2.0, where other devices don't. Especially my vehicle. My vehicle only charges my phone at fast charging. So the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5Gs have charging, they have fast charging, they have super fast charging, and then they have super fast charging 2.0. They're all different speeds. This has the 3 extra parameters in it that allow it to run the super fast charging. My phone also will take 65 watts of power in. This provides 45, but it's still, it can have the 65 watt charging. If it doesn't have the parameters, it's not going to allow the super fast charging 2.0. So even though this is 45 watts, it has the parameters, it allows the super fast charging 2.0. The other thing about these is that this charges like power banks and stuff, you know, little battery power banks that you would use, you know, you can put under your phone. They're little chargers. This will charge 1 or 2 of them in like an hour or 2. This thing is very, very nice. I love the TopOff. I would 100% recommend it as much as I've been using it. I use this one every day. It's got dust on it. I've had it in dusty environments. I've used it in my house, in my vehicles, on the road, on service calls. You know, it's great. If you guys want to see more testing video, just go ahead and go to this card up here. I will put it somewhere in the video, probably, you know, 2 minutes ago or right here. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by, as always. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. Smush the bell notification as always if you guys want to see updates on videos. I do want to say thank you to all my subscribers, all the non-subscribers, all the people that watch, all the people that use the affiliate links from Acme Tools, Ohio Power Tools, or any of the other affiliate links. I very much appreciate it. Because of you guys, the channel's now paying for itself. So I'm going to be starting to use the money that comes in from the channel to buy wood. And we're also going to be using it to buy tools for the channel. I did use... I'm still waiting for it. I've been waiting for it for about 5.5 weeks now. But I did purchase, with the money I got from YouTube, I did purchase 2 Milwaukee switch tanks because I needed them. One for my wife for her garden fertilizer, one for me for pesticides, and the other plus is we're going to be doing videos on it for you guys, them in use and everything else. And appreciate all of you guys, all the support, and you know, if you like anything that I'm showing on the channel, got tons of other stuff today that I need to knock out for recording, but I do appreciate all of you guys so very much. I didn't think I would ever even be monetized, let alone have over 1,100 people watching. I appreciate it. If you guys have any suggestions or there's anything that you want to see on the channel, I do have plans to do some videos on the 40 volt Makita compared to this guy right here, which is the 18 volt Makita, as well as the 36 volt 2 battery X2 models compared to the 40 volt and the 80 volt line, as well as I have plans for to bring more Metabo items to the channel. The Metabo HPT 36 volt multi-volt line. We're bringing a hammer drill to the channel, as well as an impact driver and a couple other tools, as soon as they're available for me to grab. I do appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys so much for sticking around for the video, and thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Be safe. Peace!